Impeccable in the if we translate it, means faultless. Be faultless with your words. How does that impact? How does that impact you? Anyone? What will happen if you are impeccable with your words? No? People will believe, people may believe or may not believe. But you will believe in your words. If I am impeccable with my words, I know that nothing from my mouth will come out to demean me, to negate me, to belittle me. हम अक्सर ये करते हैं कि आप एग्जाम में बैठे हो, एक आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, क्या बोलोगे? Stupid me, why I did not prepare? देखो इतना भी ध्यान नहीं रहता है, तू पढ़ नहीं सकती थी, मेहनत नहीं कर सकती थी, सोती रहेगी, I'll see you, isn't it? Don't we do that? But when we are impeccable with our words, we live by our words. When we say that I have to prepare for my exam, I have to score 90%, I will respect my word. मेरा शब्द मेरी पहचान होगा. Isn't it? So be impeccable with your words. Whenever you are saying something for yourself or for the others, it should be positive, nothing negative. Be disciplined. हम सुनते आते हैं ना कि डिसिप्लिन रहना चाहिए, डिसिप्लिन रहना चाहिए. Fauzi is disciplined. Yeah, if you are a Fauzi, you are supposed to be disciplined. But discipline is nature. कभी देखा है nature में there is सुबह, दोपहर, शाम and रात, isn't it? Nature अपना discipline तोड़ता है? नहीं तोड़ता, है ना? हमने programs देखे, अभी कितने सारे programs होके गए. Everybody was disciplined. If there was a lack of discipline, this program wouldn't have happened, would it? होता program? नहीं हो पाता, है ना? हम इतना enjoy भी नहीं कर पाते. So discipline should be way of life. If you have to prepare for your exam, there is a set rule which is supposed to be followed. It is supposed to be followed. That's it. So there's a statement by or quotation by King Martin Luther. He says, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, keep moving forward. The essence is keep the discipline intact. जो करना है थोड़ा थोड़ा ही सही, but करते रहिए. Third statement that I live by is remain positive. This positivity does not mean that हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो, हमेशा keep blessing somebody, keep doing this. No, positivity means remain positive towards others, remain positive towards possibilities in life, and remain positive to your own self and your own self-belief. Only then can you be able to create an identity which will differentiate you from the crowd. What the speaker before me just said. आप जहां भी रहें, कोशिश करिए कि अपनी पहचान भीड़ में से अलग बना सके. So remain positive. Everything, every situation in life is to teach you something. You are here to learn leadership skills. You will go back to prepare for your academics. Once you leave academics, you will get prepared to face the life. Once you are in the job, you will get prepared to shape the nation. So there is something positive in every aspect of life. Just move with the flow. Take a vow. Take a vow to improve yourself 1% daily. 1% daily. Rome was not built in a day, isn't it? I was reading a book. I don't know whether you have read about it or not. That book is called as Atomic Habits. It's a very popular book on Amazon. I don't know whether maybe some of you would have heard. This book is written by James Clear. And the author, कहानी सुनोगे? 2 मिनट है? This author wanted to be a ace baseball player. ठीक है? इसका सपना था कि मैं एक एस बेसबॉल प्लेयर बनूंगा और जब ये 11th क्लास में था, while he was playing or practicing for the baseball bat उड़ता हुआ आया और उसके फेस पे it just hit him straight on his face. Okay? Can you imagine एक बेसबॉल का जो बैट होता है वो कितना बड़ा होता है, कितना भारी होता है. अगर वो कहीं से उड़ता हुआ आपके फेस पे हिट करेगा तो क्या होगा? You will collapse. And the same thing happened with him. He collapsed, fell on the ground, and after that the entire gamut of people who were there around, his friends, his teachers, his nurses, everybody came, took him and उसको straight away लेके गए जो स्कूल की इंफर्मरी होती है वहाँ जाके पता चला that the child, that boy has actually lost his mental balance. He became unconscious. He was transported immediately to some place, somewhere wherein he was to be sent on helicopter. He reached there. उसके skull में around multiple fractures had already come. His eyeball sockets had already come out. For almost 6 to 7 days, he remained unconscious. He could not say a word. He could not remember a word. Doctor said that for him to recover would take almost 2 years. Forget about playing baseball. Okay? Somehow, whatever happened, I am just cutting the story short. He recovered with the dedication and all the medical intervention that could happen in almost 6 years' time. But he goes on to write in that book कि वो जो 6 साल का टाइम था उसमें मैं जिंदगी में पीछे नहीं गया. मैंने वो 6 साल का टाइम जब मेरे क्लासमेट्स शाम के टाइम पे maybe they would have gone to some club, they would have done some dancing, maybe gone on some dates or everything. I decided to improve myself by 1% every day. And he just built up one habit. That one habit was to sleep early and to wake up early. By sleeping early and waking up early, his grades improved. He started getting all A's. He developed the habit of writing, and he is, as of now, the best motivational speaker online. He could publish his essays, motivational essays, which are, I believe they are worth much beyond our imagination. And his yoga, his exercise, everything continued, by which he could get admission in one of the best colleges. He became part of the athletic team. So, you know, how these kind of speakers affect our life, how these kind of writers affect our life, or how these stories affect our life is just that if they can do, we can as well. The only thing is that improve just 1%, 1% daily. Maybe you are waking up at 7 o'clock, start waking up 6:59, 6:58, 6:56, 57. Slowly you will see that, from where you started and where you have reached. Okay? So just 1% improvement every day. And have a lot and lot of self-love. What does that mean? What does that mean? Come what may, I will not negate myself. Because you can give out what you have within. Orange juice को squeeze करोगे तो apple juice निकलेगा. Pineapple juice, strawberry juice. It's only orange juice, isn't it? So, if you have love within, only then can you offer selfless service to others. So, to be an effective NSS volunteer, first you need to take care of yourself, your health, your academics, your cultural program, your surtal. Only then can you contribute beyond yourself. Okay? So I would just like to end by saying that if you really want to be a real change maker, it has to start with you. It has to start with you, not outside. Okay? So, to quote a famous, famous author, faith is taking that one step. Faith is taking that one step even when you know that the staircase is not available or not visible to you. So faith is moving forward even when you know that, end is not visible. What is the destination you don't know, but still moving forward. So thank you and Jai Hind.